Task 1, Bellwork. You're going to copy this template in your lab book, and we're going to look at what happens when you hold a magnet near a refrigerator. Read the passage and draw what happens between the magnet and the fridge before the magnet sticks to it. Nature holds a magnet near a refrigerator and lets go. The magnet sticks to the fridge. What might it look like if nature could see what is happening in the space between the magnet and the fridge when he holds the magnet near the refrigerator? Draw a picture to show what happens between the magnet and the fridge right before the magnet sticks to it. Use icons to show the interaction between the magnet and the fridge. Explain your drawing and include an explanation of the icon you used to show the interaction. Once you're done, turn that into Google Classroom.